Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. This week's video is not going to be a DIY video. I've been in a slight little funk this week creatively, and I have just not been able to get in the mode. I did go thrifting while Camden was at a camp this week, and that kind of got me excited about the shopping. And then I was like, do I need to go thrifting again? No. I should go shop my basement, show you guys some of the things that I have that I am now trying to put on my website and get listed, and see if you guys want any of these before I bring them to my booth. So I'm going to show you my thrift haul along with my basement haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So I did go thrifting one time this week while Camden was at camp. I got this little tiered thing for $5.09, thinking I would use it in my booth. I got this to upcycle in an upcoming video. It was $4. I thought it would be gorgeous, upcycled. Same thing with this one, 89 cents. Gonna upcycle this one as well. This one I thought would be a great display piece for my booth if I sell it cool. These are not necessarily my colors, but would be a great base color to use those paint techniques that I showed last week. This I want to use in my booth to kind of tell people what is there. And then look at this cute little piggy bank. I think I paid $1. There is a stopper in the bottom. Oh my gosh, I just thought she was so precious, so vintage looking. There were a couple of piggy banks there, but this is the one that had to come home with me because I felt like she was just precious. Now this next one, I was just looking it up, and eBay has it between $40 and $180. If you guys know anything about this, I paid $2 for it, and I think I'm going to list it on eBay so I can get the right buyer. Let me know in the comments below. Thought this little basket was super cute with the little pink and baby blue on it. And then cozy, come on, cup of cozy. I am a little bit low with my mugs in my booth and thought, let's add some of these. I used to be called the Monica of the group. I used to keep a very tight ship and clean house prior to having a husband and 3 kids, but thought this would be a fun little gift for someone to pick up. This reminded me of the IOD transfers, like from the seed catalog, and ephemeral melange, and I thought they were so precious, so I went ahead and grabbed those for that price point and thought somebody would totally grab them. Now this one does not have a stamp on the bottom. I thought it was really cute as is, but the real star is this gorgeous pink platter. Look how pretty that is. There are a couple like little stains on it, but I feel like that just adds to the age and the look. I paid $5 for it. Don't know much about this particular brand, but I thought I love the look of it. Someone else might too. Now, look at her, hand painted. Isn't she precious? I got this for the frame. It was $5, and then after I picked up the frame, realized this was like hand painted, and she is gorgeous, and she has this sadness but innocence to her. So I think I'm going to use the frame, take out the painting, and sell her separately. I have a little collection of these in my basement. I thought, do I need to go thrifting again, or should I just go grab what I already have and start listing these things? So I am going down to the basement and realizing I definitely have these little collections. This one is from Ireland. And I just need to start listing them, listing a number of items per week, and then forget about them, and who knows, they may sell. So that is kind of my plan. Now I'm kind of shopping my basement. I had this beautiful basket from thrifting before. Same thing with this hand towel. I'm not going to do anything to it. The handheld rack, I think it is precious the way it is. I'd already shown you those pieces, and then I went into my basket collection and I am listing some baskets that I just haven't put tags on yet to put in my booth, and wanted you guys to get the first right to purchase these. I was going to do something in my house with this little set because I think they're so precious. Haven't gotten to it and thought, you know what, it is time to get them out of my basement and into someone's home. This I had done an upcycle on and added some white dry brush paint over the top of them. Never got them in my booth. Thought I would list them, see if you guys wanted them. And I feel so much better about working through some of my stash. So go check out my website, www.createyourowncozy.com, and see if any of these thrifted items need to come home with you. All right, I know this video was a little bit different. I almost didn't even do a video this week. I can't, I'm in a funk, and you know what? I decided I'm just gonna keep it showing up for you guys, even if I'm in a funk, to crush it anyway. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are up to, what your favorite finds are, and if you are interested in purchasing any of these items, please go check out my website at www.createyourowncozy.com, where I also have IOD products, JRV products, and DIY products as well. So I hope that you guys are having a great summer. Next week, I'm very excited. I am going to bring you some DIY items from Sonnet's Makers Box. And that is going to come out a little early next Friday, I believe, at 11 a.m. my time. So you will definitely get a DIY video next week. I hope you guys are crushing your life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.